Back with another Rust video. We're going to do the most useful circuit for a trap base, which is going to be pretty power efficient, hopefully here. These are what you're going to need for it all. You're going to need 2 solar panels, 2 small batteries, 1 memory cell, 1 blocker, 2 timers, a door controller, root combiner, a handful of electrical branches, a pressure plate, and an auto turret. We'll start off with getting our batteries charging. So I'm going to throw down 2 solar panels. And let's throw down 2 batteries right here. We'll wire these guys in real quick. And these will just go in to the power in on them. We'll get a root combiner down. And we'll get those guys just kind of charging. Alright, so now that's charging. We're going to need the memory cell, the timer, and the blocker for right now. So we're going to take 2 timers. And we're going to throw 1 blocker up above it. And then we're going to throw a memory cell down over here. Now we need a whole bunch of electrical branches. So we need 2 of them right here. And 1 below that. And then we're going to need 1 here. And we'll throw in 1 more up here. And 1 last one right there. That should be what we need for everything. Let's start with wiring it all in. So this we're going to set to 22 because we want to run an auto turret and a door controller. This is the one you would change if you need more power. So say you had multiple auto turrets, you would just add up how many you have that take 10 power each. So if you had 5 of them, you would add 5 to that in total. So if it was, right now it's at 22, but if you add 5 in total, you would make it 62. So we're going to take the branch out of that and go into the power in on the memory cell. We're going to take the output, connect that to the next branch, which we're going to set here at 10. And then we're going to take this power out and go into this one, which we're going to set at 1. Alright, and then we're going to take this branch out of the one above the memory cell, and we're going to bring that all the way down and connect it to the power in on this one. We're going to set this bottom electrical branch to 5. We're going to set this next one to 4, and set this one to 4. And we'll just wire these in there like that. We're going to take the branch out on these, come over and go into the toggle on, this branch out, come over here and go to the toggle on. Oh, excuse me, I got these wrong. This should be set to 1. This should be set to 1, not 4. Set these ones to 1. This goes right into the power in, the power out into the power in. The power out of the first timer is going to go right into the block pass-through, and then the power out of this timer is going to come over and go to the power in of the blocker, and then the blocker is going to come out, come down, and go into the reset. These 2 timers in combination will be your reset timers, so they'll automatically close the doors, turn off the turret, and save all your power. The other thing that's nice is when nobody hears the turret running, so when it gets activated, it all turns on and they don't know that the turret's there. So what we'll do from here, we'll do the last parts here. We got most of this here together. I have already thrown an auto turret in here and a door controller. we're going to go to the power in on the door controller here. And we're going to bring that one all the way over to this upper electrical branch. The one that we set, this one was set to 1. So you only need 1 power to activate that. And then we're going to take the remaining power and bring it over and activate the turret. And the last thing we really need to do, you can use a heartbeat sensor, a laser detector, but I'm going to use a pressure plate. I like pressure plates the best because I can throw a carpet over them and hide them. And so the way that this one will work is we're going to attach, that's the power in. I'm going to come over and we're going to attach that to right here. And then the power out is going to come over and we're going to bring that over and we're going to put that into the set of the memory cell. So the last thing we need to do before we power it up is we're going to set these timers. So for however long you want this door to be open and that auto turret to be on, you would set that right here. For this video, I'm going to keep it at 10 seconds, but if you wanted it open for a minute, just set it at 60. And then this timer right next to it, you just need to add 1 second. So I have it set at 10 on the other one, this one's going to be 11. Either if you want to do it for a minute, you make this one 60 and that one 61, or whatever it is, just make sure this one's 1 second more. And then the last thing we need to do is just power it up. At this point, it should be all good to go. So you could throw a carpet over this to hide it. And door opens and the auto turret turns on and automatically should start shooting people. So, and then after 10 seconds, it'll automatically close. There you go. So it self-resets. And that's how you use this for just about any sort of trap setup that you want it to automatically reset. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments. And this is something else that I was working on here, is doing synchronized disco floors. Putting 4 of them together, getting them all to sync in with each other. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. Hope you guys like this. Thanks for watching.